Today, we're going to unveil the craziest, most mind-blowing military tech just hitting the scene. From precision bullets to laser defense systems, these bad boys will make you feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have the Iron Beam. This incredible laser defense system developed by Israel is designed to shoot down short-range rockets, artillery, mortars, and even unmanned aerial vehicles. The coolest thing about it? It uses lasers. That's right, this system is straight out of Star Wars. Iron Beam is super accurate and can intercept multiple targets simultaneously, making it a game-changer for defending against enemy attacks. It can even take out drones with precision. With a range of several miles, this advanced system is set to revolutionize military defense. The Iron Beam works by firing a high-energy laser at the incoming threat, heating it up rapidly until it's destroyed or disabled. This high-tech system has a rapid response time, which means it can react to threats in just a matter of seconds. Plus, it's incredibly cost-effective compared to traditional missile defense systems, since it doesn't require expensive interceptor missiles. The Iron Beam can also operate in various weather conditions, making it a versatile addition to any military arsenal. And since it's a directed energy weapon, it doesn't rely on kinetic force to destroy targets. Just good old-fashioned heat. Say goodbye to collateral damage and hello to precision strikes. It's no wonder the Iron Beam is taking the top spot on our list of mind-blowing new military tech. Next up, at number 2, we have the X-Acto bullet. Standing for Extreme Accuracy Tasked Ordnance, this smart bullet is a sniper's dream come true. Developed by DARPA,